If you're a developer, security analyst, or just someone who ever worried about your app being hacked, today's video is for you. We are diving into how Microsoft Threat Modeling tool helps you catch vulnerabilities early using a secret weapon called a Stride model. Trust me, it'll make your app bulletproof before it even hits the real world. Okay, so what's the deal with the threat model tool? Simple. It's a proactive security tool that helps you spot weakness before they become costly problems. It's a part of Microsoft security development lifecycle. And here's the best part. It's designed so even a non-security expert can use it. The tool helps you answer critical questions like what if an attacker changes my app's authentication data, or what happens if someone sees data that they shouldn't, like user profiles. It's all about making sure your app is secure before hackers get any ideas. Now, to make all this security stuff even easier, Microsoft uses something called Stride model. Think of a Stride like a cheat sheet for identifying and preventing threats. Ready to go on a security adventure? Let's break it down. First up, spoofing. This is when someone impersonates someone else. Like if someone stole your username and password to sneak into your account. Not good, right? And next, we have got tampering. This is all about bad guys messing with your data, like changing stuff in your database or hijacking messages as they travel across the internet. Imagine a user does something shady, like deleting important files and then denies if it ever happened. No logs, no proof. That's the problem. Information disclosure is when someone gets access to confidential info they shouldn't. You don't want hackers seeing sensitive details like personal data or credit card numbers. Then there is denial of service or DOS. This is when someone overloads your system so no one else can use it. Imagine your web app getting hit with traffic so intense that it crashes and no one can access it. Elevation of privileges. This is when a regular user somehow levels up to become an admin, gaining access to stuff they shouldn't. That's a total nightmare. See how each category helps you look for a specific weakness in your app? That's the part of Stride. It makes sure you are covering all your bases and you're not missing any potential threats. The Microsoft Threat Modeling tool makes it super easy to apply Stride. You just plug in your app's architecture and the tool guides you through identifying threats based on these 6 categories. It's like having a security expert right next to you. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe. Got any questions about threat modeling? Drop them in the comment section below.